Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, this afternoon, no, so we are going to proceed with our flair tending for bartending. No? Maglabay-labay mo mga botilya, duha ka style, no, for today just like yesterday. Because dili ta pwede mag-start or even mo proceed ang bartending without knowing hinahinay og flair tending. No? Mounsa man na inyong magtimpla-timpla mo diha, og dili mo kabalog flare tending. Dili po ni yano-yano and dali-dali may bala ng flare tending. Munang duha sa kakuan style ron, in-enhance to ang gahapon until such time makuha ng 10 kabuok ko ano flare tending moves, right? Yes. Okay, no? So, na mga kundi flare tending battles diya, so muna atong praktisan. That's good. And now we are going to proceed with our demonstration of the first two flare tending moves, right? Okay, starting with front flip and side flip. Okay, in 3, 2, go. Okay, congratulations. Okay, so this time we have here Jessa and Jessa. Oh, doon ka Jessa, no? You are going to perform the first two flirting moves, which is a front flip and side flip, no? Duha kada moves, right? In 3, 2, go. Relax na. Okay, so since it's time na mismo, so tomorrow, class, magtiwas ta ani until such time, no, mahuman mo, then mag-ila-ila na ta sa atong bartending, tools and equipment and personnel, okay? So muna itong buhaton, no? Keep on practicing, especially ka ng mga babaeng dili ka mao. Kay dapat makamao jud because in the end, individual ni siya, auntie. Okay, so that's all for this afternoon. Babush.